Hi there! In this video, we will be looking at which verb form completes the sentence. When we look at which verb form completes a sentence, we need to focus on subject and verb agreement. This is when the subject needs to match the verb form, whether it is singular, one thing or object, or plural, more than one thing or object. For example, the child is making a sandcastle, and the children are making a sandcastle. We need to also think about tense consistency. Consistency means always behaving in the same way. Timmy moved quickly on his skateboard and jumped off the skate ramp. The tenses here are both in past tense to keep them consistent. In order to know which verb form to use, you need to be able to recognise different tenses. Here are some examples. The simple past tense is used to describe actions which have already happened and are now complete. Omari played the cello. The simple present tense is used to show that an action is happening right now, or that an action is happening regularly. Omari plays the cello. The present perfect tense is used to describe actions that happened in the past but continue in the present. It is used to show a link between present and the past. Omari has played the cello. The past perfect tense describes actions that were completed before a point in the past. Omari had played the cello. If you want to find out more about how to form any of these verbs, or others such as progressive tense, we have lots of videos on the Twinkl website telling you exactly how. Now let's have a look at the first question. Which verb form completes the sentence? After the pantomime, the actors took a bow. The options are is finishing, have finished, had finished, or was finishing. The adverbial phrase after is helpful in this question because it shows the pantomime has already ended, so it cannot be is finishing or was finishing, as these are continuous actions. The verb took shows that the action is in the past. It cannot be have finished because it is the present perfect tense. So the correct answer is had finished. Well done if you spotted that. A top tip to solve this would be to try say them out loud to see which answer sounds right. This can often be helpful. In this next question, you're being asked to circle the correct verb form in each underlined pair to complete the sentences below. The alien was, flying to planet Zip in a rocket. When she landed, she jumps, out to explore. Pause the video and press play when you have an answer. How did you get on? In the first sentence, alien is a singular subject. Therefore, we need to match it with a singular verb form. So the answer is was. The word was told us that the paragraph was in the past tense, so we need to use landed in the second sentence. Finally, because landed is in the past tense, we need to make the following verb consistent and select jumped. Well done if you got that one right. For our final question, you're being asked to rewrite the verbs in the sentences below into the correct verb form. Every Sunday, Dan, a roast dinner. His favourite side dish, crispy roast potatoes. You may wish to write your answer down on a whiteboard or a piece of paper, or you may just wish to say your answer out loud. Pause your video now and hit play when you're ready. Do you have an answer? Excellent. Did you spot the adverbial phrase every Sunday? This gives us a clue that the sentence should be in the present tense because it is an action that happens regularly. Dan is a third person singular subject and to cook in the present tense is cooks. To keep the tenses consistent, we want to put the following verb in the present too. So, to be becomes is. Even though the sentence mentions potatoes, the verb is agreeing with the subject, which is side dish, and this is the third person singular. The verb forms are now consistent. Great work! I hope this has helped you to understand how to choose the correct verb form to finish a sentence. If you're looking for even more videos, then we have lots more of these on the Twinkl website, so make sure to check them out. Thank you for watching!